Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this fall makeup look. So please keep watching and yeah, let's get some fall vibes on and let's complete this makeup look. So come on, let's go. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have some great natural lighting going. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. I love Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. This foundation just leaves such a beautiful glow all over your skin. And if you tend to be dry, you're definitely... I also love to put this foundation right underneath my eyes and use it as a concealer because it does have hyaluronic acid in it. I find that it's very moisturizing, especially, for any of the lines underneath your eyes. It just works amazingly. One thing too, when I add foundation, I actually am very careful to not put too much on my forehead because I do sometimes get creasing. There we go. I think that looks good, not too bad. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and use this very fall color that I have here, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit right in through here. Okay, next I'm going to take this more brown tone right in here, right in the crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and take like this lighter kind of gold shimmery color and just put it right in here. Very good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. So let's go ahead and do the eyeliner. You can see the eyeshadow so far. It's very pretty. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara. Now I want to add a little bit of highlighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just right here to the corner of my eyes and right up here. A little highlighter. I just feel like it adds so much to this look. Maybe just a little bit more. Add a little bit of bronzer. Because it's all about those fall colors. Is there a particular drink you guys like to drink when it starts getting a little colder out? Do you guys like coffee or tea, or what is it you guys like to drink? Okay, now add just a little bit of shimmer up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this pretty brown color, brown eyeshadow right underneath here. Because I just feel like it adds so much. There, very good. I feel like I want it to pop just a little bit more. There we go, looks pretty good. Let me hold the camera up so you guys can see a little better. See? Nice fall colors. The color is Rendezvous because I feel like it's just going to add like something, it's gonna add some fall vibes. Okay, and there you have it. Let's go ahead and take the hair out. And now I'm going to go ahead and hold my iPhone camera up so you guys can see a little better. But see, this is just a very fall vibe kind of look. I definitely did a lot of like orange and browns, a little gold, and then shimmer like in the corner of my eyes, and then a very kind of coral fall vibey lipstick to complete it. But yeah, so this is the look. Hope you guys had fun watching. Thank you so much and take care. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Take care.